Hi guys, it is time for another beauty box unboxing. Still catching up with August, and this time I have got my Birchbox. So this is for August 2018, and along with this it came in a really big box and I was a bit confused, but there's this alongside it. So it's a bit of like a holographic makeup bag. So just a little bit quickly about Birchbox. So for those that don't know, beauty subscription box, £10 a month, £2.95 postage and packaging, and yeah, and that's it. I've got a code. If you've not had the box before, you can get £5 off your first box, and if you just put in the code Lady Marwa along the bottom, all one word, I'll pop it in the description down below, you get £5 off your first box, and I will get a little reward on my account as a result of you use my code. So if you do and you find it useful, enjoy. So yeah, so I've got this and I was a bit confused, and there's a little card inside and it says congratulations, and it just says, hi Birchboxer, hooray, you're officially a Birchbox VIP. To celebrate your 6-month anniversary, we've added an extra treat in your box this month for you to enjoy. Plus, now that you've received 6 boxes in a row, you can enjoy 15% discount of anything in the shop, blah 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 blah. So yeah, now I remember before, and I'd got my 6 months and got my VIP, I didn't get anything then. So this is obviously something new that they do. So I've obviously cancelled it, I've come back, and so there, just a little bag handy just to stick in, you know, when you're going away for the weekend, you just need some makeup. So this month's box is in collaboration with Etsy. There were several different designs of boxes, so it's just potluck which one you got. And so this is my box, which I quite like the design. You get 5 products. The thing with Birchbox is a lot of them can be quite small samples, so it depends how you feel. But they have quite a good range of products. I have a love-hate relationship with Birchbox. I'm always going to cancel, I always stay, and there's always something in here that I really, really enjoy and really love. So for now, I'm staying with, but let's see what's inside this one. So here we go. So it looks quite a good box. Let me get the little card out the bottom. I had to put it at the bottom. They should put, Birchbox, put your cards at the top. Right, so we've got so Birchbox, live a life beautiful with Etsy, and there's a code in the back for 15% off Etsy shops that have been created with the Birchbox, August Birchboxes. So if you go on there, there's some information. Okay, so here we go. So it says, hello Birchboxers, this August we're all about embracing the moments that make life happy, whether that's catching up with friends or indulging in an at-home pamper session. It's time to celebrate the magic of every day. To mark the occasion, we've teamed up with Etsy, the online marketplace that's committed to building a creative community. Along with the help of 10 of their sellers, this month is guaranteed to help you live a life beautiful. Okay, so we've got, let's see what we've got in here. 1, 2, 3. Let's pick up the first thing, the big one. So this is by Rituals, and it is a Happy Firming Shower Gel. So your Happy Buddha Firming Shower Gel. The RRP is £8.50. That'll be for a full size. This is 50 mils, so it's quite a nice size. And it says showers can be just as relaxing as a soak in the tub. You just need the right products. This luxurious gel is infused with sweet orange and cedar to rejuvenate your skin and brighten your mind. Transforming into a thick lathering foam on contact with water, it provides a skin softening clean with hydration that lasts. Now, I do really love Ritual products. I've had a shower sort of firming thing before and it was beautiful. I don't want to spray it because it'll go all over, but it smells gorgeous. So yes, that's the first item. Next thing we've got is by Lucetta, and it's a keratin conditioner. So for a full size it'd be £19. This is 40 mils. Again, it's a great travel size. So between summer and sunshine and heat styling, hair can get a little frazzled. Enter this nourishing conditioner. It repairs and tames unruly strands by strengthening hair from the inside out. Smoothing through shampooed hair, leave for a couple of minutes and rinse away to lock in moisture, fight frizz and boost elasticity. So I'm quite pleased to have this because I've had a few shampoo samples in previous boxes and things, so I'll just pair it with that, even though I have a bit of a weird thing about using different shampoos and different conditioners from different brands, but I'm sure that's completely irrational and I could just try it. So yeah, there we go. Next thing we've got is by Dirty Little Secret, and it is an eyeshadow crayon in either golden plated or fetch. So we had to choose last month which one we got, and I chose fetch. And so it says, who said that perfectly applied eyeshadow requires an arsenal of tools? Not us. With this creamy crayon, your fingertips will do the job just fine. Scribble it directly onto your eyelids and blend it for an effortless eye look. It works as a base for powdery shadows, or a standalone wash of colour, or a radiant highlighter. So, let's have a look. I think we've had something else by Dirty Little Secret recently. Wow, it's a big chunky pencil. I think the packaging looks quite nice. So that's it there. Does it screw up? Oh, that's good. So you get quite, oh, that's quite good. You get quite a lot of product. So recommended retail price is £10.50, and this is a full size item. Oh, this is really good. They're always, in previous boxes, it's been really difficult to see the Birchbox exclusive and the full-size item colours. They've got a little key. We're always really, really close, and everyone was complaining. Look, they've simplified the code at the bottom. So now you can tell if it's a full-size or an exclusive. They must have listened to people's comments, so that's really good. So well done, Birchbox. So yes, this is a full size. Let's have a look here. I've got some other samples on my hand, sorry, swatches. Oh, it's gold. Really, really golden. So that'd be nice as a tan. It'd be nice coming up at Christmas time as well. And it does blend really, it's really creamy. It's nice. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Next item I've got is Poe, is it? And it's by Dr. Botanicals. I've seen them in quite a few boxes as well recently. So it's a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. So we love it when a product does all the hard work for us, and even more so if it does it overnight. Apply a thin layer of this pomegranate infused treatment onto clean skin before bed and let it absorb whilst you catch some Z's or Z's. The antioxidants will rejuvenate tired skin so you'll wake up with a glow, hydrated complexion. I'm really excited to try this. I am really, really keen. I'm just like, yeah, I think I'm taking a bit of a battering at the moment, so this is going to be fab. It is a 30ml, so it's a decent sample. You get quite a few uses out of that, so yeah, happy with that. And then final product is this is CLE Cosmetics, and it is a melting lip powder in red cherry. RRP is £15, and that would be for a full size product. And it says, a truly innovative product, this magic formula transforms from a pigmented powder to long wearing tint on application. Using the applicator, blend it directly onto your lips as you would do a lip gloss, and watch as it meshes with your skin for a smudge proof matte pop of colour. It works on cheeks too. So I've not seen anything like this before. So it's a powdered lip product, but let's have a look. I don't know if it'll be messy. Oh. Okay, so there's it's a doe foot applicator, and oh, it doesn't look powdery. It feels really creamy. Is that a powder? Oh, it is. It is actually a powder. You can see it inside. How strange. I only know because I just spilled some by mistake. So it's actually, that's weird. That is so weird. It's actually a really pretty colour. It's like a raspberry rather than like a proper red. So I'm interested to try that as well. That's something I've never seen before. You can see there it is a powder inside. How that is so unusual. I quite like the idea of that. Okay, so that's your lot. Hi again. I think it's a really good box. So we've got the rituals, we've got the conditioner, we've got the Dirty Little Secret eye product, the lip, and the mask. So that's it. Oops. I think well done, Birchbox. I'm really happy. This is nothing's too diddy. They're all reasonable sizes, and I'm happy. So yeah, 10 out of 10 Birchbox. Nice one. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I know it's very late and it's almost the end of the month, but I still wanted to share it with you all. So I'd love it if you give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching it. Do subscribe and leave a comment down below, and let me know what you think to your box. You've probably had a chance to use it by now. So see you all very soon. Bye.